Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna be going stage 1 on my WRX. I'm just making sure to show you guys that I'm uploading the correct tune onto my car. Alright, so I dragged this over here, and just to confirm for you guys, all these tunes with 302, I'll go to this one. The stage 1 tune that I'm going to do is for a 2018 WRX manual transmission USDM. That's correct. I'm going to eject it. So okay, this is how I have mine mounted. I have a pop socket thing and a pop socket right here. I get that pop socket, just mount it on like that, plug it in, shablam. So installing stage 1, I'm not educated on this, so pardon me for that. Go down to tune, change map, reflash, stage 1 91 302. So 302 is for my car, 2018 WRX. And just for you guys wondering, HWG is high wastegate, and that's if your car is boosting lower than normal. That's when you put it on the high wastegate option. Continue. Alright, so just waiting for it to flash. Also, if you have the access port already installed on the car, changing the tunes, it doesn't take that long. It doesn't take long at all. I just said that little thing. It's already at 50%. Super fast. Takes about a couple minutes, honestly, to flash into a new tune. And right now I'm doing stage 1. Ooh, first impressions on stage 1. I don't know. I don't know what to expect. I just heard that it takes away rev hang and that throttle response is a little better. Please turn off the vehicle. Alright, continue. On the on position, making some noise. Alright, now I please the ignition key to the off and have the key out for at least 15 seconds until I start the car. Personally, I don't know what to expect with just the stage 1 tune because I'm going to be running a stock intake and downpipe. I do have an aftermarket exhaust, but just for all you guys wondering out there, you don't need a tune when you're putting a catback exhaust on. It's basically just a tone of the car at that point. You don't need to worry about back pressure issues or any of that. Waiting for it to start up. I need to get some gas too, alright? So it's a start up, cold start. So yeah, my car just warmed up and just have these gauges set like this. I have my AF, the AF learning, coolant temp, intake temp, my dam, and boost. I know I have a boost up there, but I just like to log it live just to see what's going on. And that's what I have for my gauges that are for the setup.
A few moments later.
What's going on, guys? So I just got back from everything. It's the next day, and I've been driving around on stage 1 for about maybe like 4 hours now. And honestly, my first impressions with stage 1 for the version 302 for the 2018 WRX, the tunes are different from the 15 to 17 models to the 18s. With the 18s and up, I guess they changed like the ECU a little bit. That's why it's 302 for my car. I'm just going to tell you my experience with just the stage 1 tune with stock downpipe, stock intake, and I really liked it. At first, it was a little weird to me. I thought it wasn't worth it at first. I thought I wasn't gonna like it. Well, I didn't at first. I was thinking, dang, the throttle feels weird, but honestly, when you get used to it, I really like it. The throttle response is killer. It makes a car a lot easier to drive. Like, believe me when I say that, a lot easier to drive. When I do those second gear pulls, holy, believe me when I say it, it pulls a lot harder. It pushes me back into my seat a lot more than it does with the stock map. I think the car runs a little bit better. I don't know if I really saw like a difference in the gas mileage with the car. Stage 1 tune does make the car run a lot better. Now when I had the access port linked up, I had all my gauges running with stage 0 to compare to stage 1. The air fuel correction and the learning, it's a lot closer to 0 than it was with the stock tune. I do believe that it's better when it's closer to 0 on those numbers than they are if they go way past like 8 on the correction and like 14 on the learning. It runs a lot better with the stage 1 tune. Yeah, I think stage 1 makes a car run better. There's no rev hang. It's amazing. I like it. It pulls a lot harder, it's smoother. There's no more tugging when I let go of the clutch or whatever when I'm gassing it. Like it has a better response to it. All in all, what I'm saying is if you have an access port and you're planning on doing like the full intake and everything, and if you don't have all the money to do the whole thing at once, and you want to start with an access port, going stage 1, I personally believe that it's pretty cool. I like it. I know it may seem underwhelming at first, but if you really put it in the perspective of like throttle response and all that stuff, then you're going to be satisfied. And then you'll already have this out of the way, whether you buy it used or new. I went with used because you save like a few $100, a couple $100. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope I helped a little bit on whether you guys want to go stage 1 rather than staying at stage 0 until you guys get an intake or whatever. This is the COBB stage 1 base map, or like the OTS map, and it's nothing aggressive, it's nothing crazy, just kind of more of like a correction to the stock tune with this map. I personally believe that you won't have anything to worry about as far as check engine lights or anything like that. It's all based on how you drive your car with this map, because you'll get a check engine light if you drive dumb, even when you're on a stock tune and stock everything. So be wise, and I hope I helped you decide. Like this video, subscribe, follow my accounts right here if you want to see daily updates on my Snapchat, my Instagram, follow those, and my personal account too if you want. So stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, stay positive.